Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I created this fall look using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Starting out with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to keep everything in place. And as usual, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Foundation. With it being fall, I always get oily from the humidity and the weather's always changing, so baking is always a great idea. Now I'm just going to do a basic brow using a beach dip brow, and I noticed in the fall that I can get away with a thicker brow, so that's kind of what I'm going for with this look. God, I love this palette. I'm going to be using the shade Riff, putting it along my crease line with a large brush and blending it out as well as possible. Next, I take the shade Double Life with a slightly smaller angled brush and go in over that. Don't want to use as much as we did with Riff, but still blending it in. Now I'm priming my eyes with Shape Tape Concealer. Gonna put a little line of it along my lashes, look up and blink, and you'll get an outline that you can trace in to create that perfect cut crease that will match the shape of your eye. Now I'm taking a smaller flat brush and spraying it with setting spray and dousing it in the shade Wanderlust to pack into either corner of the concealer that we've just placed on the eye here, trying to blend it in, but you also really want it to be dark, so packing it in with that wet brush really helps. Now I'm doing the same thing with a slightly smaller brush and the shade Stranded. This will be going on the center of the eyelid, and it's really to make the color pop. You want brightness on the eye right there, and you really want to be packing this in pretty well and then blending it out into the green alongside it. I'm taking Kat Von D's ink liner and creating a basic line with a wing, of course. And just throwing on some demi wispies. Now I'm just brushing off the powder we used earlier to bake everything so that I can apply some contour. And we want to glow to the gods, so I'm using a nice gold Amrezy shade basically everywhere. using my Morphe 9N blush palette, using the darkest shade in the bottom right hand corner, and I'm going to be giving myself a pretty rougey look, which is rare. And some quick mascara to blend those babies out. And I'm using NYX Liquid Lingerie in the shade Teddy. I just thought it was the perfect fall color and went well with this look. Of course, we want to set everything, so I'm using Hangover RX setting spray everywhere. And look at that, we're already done. This look is so simple and I hope you guys like it. I hope you try it out yourselves, and please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.